Welcome to the Summer of Love Part 3 webinar today. We have a variety of new features to show you today, and we are going to be recording this webinar so that we can publish it on the LinkTrust blog. During this webinar, if anybody has any questions, please feel free to place them into the questions box in the GoToMeeting client, and our support team is available to answer your questions. With this webinar today, the first thing that we have today is I want to show you the agenda. So we have a variety of features that we'll be going over with some new account level traffic graphs, some affiliate trending report, email alerts, new updates to the task manager. We have some user agent filtering, as well as some custom affiliate application features, external transaction modification updates, and some affiliate management updates. So we hope this will be very informative to you. And we will get started here. The first part, here we are in the LinkTrust platform. Let me close down my PowerPoint presentation really fast. On the dashboard, the first of these features is located on the dashboard. The dashboard has a new graph added to it. You can now see the overall traffic levels for your account at a glance. This line graph shows all the impressions, the clicks, qualified, and approved transactions. However, in order to see this graph, you must have the View Campaign Performance permissions in your user account. If you don't have this graph, you will see the original graph that was there with the pie charts. This report is helpful to see the overall traffic trends with your account. Now that you can view the account level traffic trend, it's important to view the trends with your affiliates, individual affiliates traffic. So a new report called the Affiliate Trends has been added to the Report tab. You'll see it's located here on the left menu bar under Affiliate Trends, as well as the third one down on the right under Affiliate Trends. This powerful new report shows the upward and downward trend of each affiliate for the last 7 days. You can change the time frame for this report to 14 days, last 30 days, last month, or this month. This report can also be filtered through an affiliate group, so you can pull up a group of affiliates. This report will graph the top 5 performing affiliates at the top. And then in addition, all affiliates with traffic are listed below the graph. You can drill down into individual reports for the daily breakout or the campaign by affiliates report. And you can also drill down to an individual day by clicking on the link stat here in for that day. On the left side of the affiliate trend report, LinkTrust displays 2 forecasting metrics from our proprietary forecasting algorithm. These 2 metrics are based on today and based on the trend. The based on today is looking at the traffic based on today's stats only. The based on trend, this column is looking at data over the last 7 days. So you may see a number difference because this is bring into account some historical data as well. It's important to note that these are forecasts or predictions based on your current traffic and can change based on traffic levels throughout the day. Our next feature is comprised of 3 different email alerts. The first one is the campaign request email. Then we'll talk about the new task and completed task email. And the third one is the tax documentation updated email. The first of these that we just talked about is the campaign request email. So if I go to the Affiliates tab and then select the campaign request, if your offers in the system are set up to require an affiliate to request the offer they wish to run, then this feature will come in handy. LinkTrust will now email the affiliate manager when an affiliate requests to run an offer. In addition, you will always see them here under the campaign request section. The email that the affiliate manager will receive will look something like this. From this email, the affiliate manager can approve the request, reject the request, and send an email to allow the affiliate to know that they're approved for that offer, or, I'm sorry, to reject the request and send the email to let them know, or reject the request without sending an email. The approval or denial of campaigns can now be done from your email or from your mobile device. We also added the ability to suppress the campaign request denial email when denying affiliate campaigns requests. This can be done from the email or from within the Partner Center. So from within the email, you can use this, which is a new feature, reject this request without sending an email, or from the Partner Center, when we select affiliates from the top and we come to the campaign request area, if you wish to suppress the denial email, all you have to do is select this checkbox that says, do not send email when denying affiliates. So if I wanted to then deny multiple affiliates from running these specific offers, and I hit deny, the affiliate does not know that I have denied them from running that offer. The second email alert has to do with the tax documentation updates. Each time an affiliate updates their tax documentation, and we'll go to see their tax documentation. So if an affiliate fills out the tax documentation once, and then they come back in and they modify any aspect of this, an email will be sent to all affiliate managers letting them know that that tax documentation has changed. The third email alert is for new tasks or completed tasks. So in the task management system, if I have a new task that I'm creating, if I have created a brand new task and assigned it to another user, an email will be sent to that user letting them know a new task has been created for them. In addition, if that assigned user completes the task, I have the ability to select this checkbox that says email me when the task is completed. This allows the system to let me know when the task has been completed. In addition to the email alerts for tasks created or completed, we received feedback from you that you needed to be able to create a task and assign it to multiple users. You can now create a single task and assign it to multiple users. Each user will have an individual task created for them. You can then track each user as they complete their tasks individually. To assign a task to multiple users, in the Assign To window, you can select any users you wish to create the task for. Holding the Control or Shift key down to select multiple users, then selecting Add Task will create and replicate a new task for each individual user. Something to keep in mind that, remember, if you do have any questions as I'm going throughout this webinar, that you can ask those questions in our questions section of the GoToMeeting client. Or, if you wish, you can email us at support@linktrust.com. Our next feature allows LinkTrust partners to block or filter traffic based on the user agent of the consumer. So now you can stop bots or spider traffic from being redirected through your tracking links simply by adding the user agent to the black or the gray list. So let's look at how we do this. To access this list, select Accounts from the top menu, then select Domains, IPs, and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You can now add the user agent you wish to block or filter in the appropriate black or gray list here. If you add a user agent to the black list, then that traffic will actually be dropped. They'll be redirected to an error 403 error page. If you add the user agent to the gray list, the consumer will be redirected to the landing page. However, no stats or conversion data will be recorded in LinkTrust. They'll just arrive at the landing page, and that's it. You can filter traffic based on a keyword by using the asterisk or wildcard symbol. If you receive traffic from a bot or a spider and you look at that user agent And if you see any unique information in that user agent, you can add that to the blacklist or to the gray list. To do that is simply, let's say that the word bot was in that user agent. So anytime I see bot in any user agent, I want it to drop traffic completely. I use the asterisk, use the word bot, and use the asterisk again, meaning that anytime I see that anywhere in the user agent, it will now block that traffic. And I can do the exact same thing on the gray list, and maybe this one is for a spider, for any type of spider traffic. So now that I've added these into the system, if I needed to add more, I simply add a new line and I continue on with a new user agent. Always make sure that when you're updating or adding different pieces of information in any of these areas that you select Update to save your settings. The next three features all apply to anyone who's using their own custom affiliate signup. So, as you know, LinkTrust builds you an affiliate signup form. This is not a custom form. This is a predefined form that LinkTrust builds for you. If you have built your own custom form, then these features apply to you. You can access the documentation that it takes to build your own custom form here under the support/tools under Advanced Integration. This will open up our documentation with all the posting instructions in order to create your own form to do this. If you are using your own custom form, you can now automatically approve affiliate applications from that custom form. You can automatically assign the new affiliate to an affiliate manager, and there are 3 additional fields that can be posted in with a custom field. So these 3 fields is an alternate ID, or we've also named the other 2 additional data 1 and additional data 2. With these 3 new data fields that have come in, we have now added those data fields to the email section. So an affiliate application comes in. Let's just imagine that this was your affiliate application. And as that information comes in, LinkTrust can automatically approve the affiliate to be an affiliate, as well as automatically assign it to an affiliate manager. And then an email, because the application approved has occurred, in that application approved, we have now added 3 more tokens to that application approved. And these 3 tokens are right there, the alternate ID, the additional data 1 or additional data 2. So those 3 extra data points that you collect on your website, you can now display in that email to the affiliates. You may ask, how can this help me? With the combination of the auto-approving applications, the auto-assigning applications to an affiliate manager, and these 3 extra data points, LinkTrust can facilitate the promotion of a loyalty or rewards business program business model. This type of business model facilitates the converting of customers into affiliates. And if you'd like to know more on how this works and how to turn your customer into an affiliate, please contact us at support@linktrust.com. It probably doesn't work necessarily with networks, but a lot of our merchant clients who have single offer type products, this works very well for them. We added another feature to our external transaction modifications. So the external transaction modifications are located within the campaign settings. So selecting campaigns from the top menu bar and entering into the campaign settings. As I scroll down to the conversion tracking options, you'll notice it says allow external transaction modification. This is an API that allows you to modify a previous transaction via a URL or an API. Even though LinkTrust tracks in real time, there's approving a transaction may come at a later time. And if a qualified transaction gets approved at a later time via this transaction modification API, you can use the same API to execute the affiliate's server-side pixel as well. By adding a new parameter to the transaction modification URL, LinkTrust can fire the affiliate's server-side postback URL as well. This allows affiliates to track the successful transactions in their system, even though the transaction approval was delayed. And this feature only works with the server-side postback URLs. Unfortunately, client-based confirmation pixels must be fired within the consumer's browser. We have a few affiliate management updates. Have you ever had to shut down all of the offers from a particular merchant due to payment problems or tracking issues, or even the relationship was just terminated? You can now contact all affiliates associated with a specific offer or associated with a specific merchant and let them know that those offers are expiring. To do this, when you select affiliates from the top menu bar, you'll notice over here on the right column it says merchants. You can now search for all affiliates associated with a specific merchant. By doing this, you can then use the send message notification notifying them of the changes that are by using the send message button. So if I selected a merchant and I pull up my affiliates, these are all the affiliates that are running an offer in association with this merchant. And so if I have to shut down all of these affiliates from running a specific offer, I can actually come here to the send a message. On the send message area, it says affiliates from the search, and I can say, hey, all of these offers, and I can have them all listed out, all the ones that are going to be shutting down because of the termination from that one account. If any of you have questions on any of these new features, please contact us as soon as you can. Please contact us at support@linktrust.com. We hope this webinar has been informative. And for more information about these features, please contact our LinkTrust newsroom.